Hey there, technology enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to bring you some exciting news today. The tech industry has been undergoing a massive transformation, with opportunities now flourishing in sectors beyond the traditional tech companies. Think healthcare, manufacturing, real estate, entertainment, and yes, even the niche fields are gaining ground. In healthcare, technology is revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. Telemedicine is making medical advice more accessible than ever, while AI is enhancing diagnostic capabilities. Manufacturing is incorporating IoT and robotics to enhance efficiency and safety. Real estate is using virtual reality and blockchain to transform property transactions. And entertainment, they're pushing the boundaries of digital innovations for immersive experiences. This expansion is creating an array of new roles and specialties for professionals in the tech arena: software engineers, data scientists, UX, UI designers, cybersecurity experts, to name a few. This diversification opens up new paths for tech professionals to innovate and contribute to progress across various fields of human life. So, what does this mean for you? It means that your skills are transferable across industries. You can apply your tech knowledge to improve healthcare delivery, enhance manufacturing processes, or revolutionize real estate transactions. The possibilities are endless. So here's my call to action. If you're a tech professional or aspiring one, embrace this opportunity to broaden your horizons. Explore these sectors beyond traditional tech companies and seize the chance to apply your skills in innovative ways. The world needs your expertise. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video insightful and inspiring, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your network of technology enthusiasts. And remember, stay updated on the latest in the tech industry by subscribing to our channel. Until next time.